Meanwhile, Jacksonville City Council members are making strides in a plan for a new jail. 5 different subcommittees came together to discuss their progress. Zach Wilcox is on your side live from the jail in downtown Jacksonville. And Zach, there's still no price tag or specific location for the jail yet, right?
Yeah, Heather, those are the two big things, right? Location and price tag. Well, we don't have those just yet. And the council members who are talking about this agreed that would be the last thing that they would talk about when they started this discussion 6 months ago. First, they need to figure out what they need in a new jail. And you guys just mentioned it, a 4th in custody death already this year to go along with 15 last year. I talked with council member Jimmy Peluso, who's on this committee, about that number. He called it alarming and certainly something that needs to be addressed in the new jail. So one thing they have talked about is having an infirmary on the campus of the new jail. Right now you have corrections officers who are taking inmates who are in medical distress all the way to UF Health to get treatment. So by having an infirmary on the campus, they can get immediate first aid. You take out that transport time, and then you also take out the having to make a decision about whether or not an inmate needs to go to the hospital in the first place. Something else this committee was looking at is recidivism, the idea of not having it, when inmates are released, not having them wind up back at the jail. And he mentioned there are a lot of resources available, but right now they have to go away from the jail to get those resources. So that's another thing they want to bring on the campus of the jail when they have the new one.
When people are processing out, they're able to go through, hey, look at these nonprofits that can support you as you kind of come out of your time here. Or, maybe you need a driver's license, maybe you need a birth certificate, or just to make sure you're able to start your life again.
When you start adding all these things onto the jail campus, though, the price tag does start to go up. I talked with Rockman Johnson, another city council member, who mentioned that right now they're looking north of $800 million for this. Won't impact the timeline necessarily, but they may have to get creative with how they pay for that, including a private public partnership. In downtown, Zach Wilcox, First Coast News, on your side.